I was just talking to your friend, your boyfriend.
Yeah, anyway, sorry, guys, this is a little bit awkward. I wasn't trying to make a move on Pinky, but, she's quite hot.
I'm just gonna cook some onion. And fish.
Sorry, this is my friend Jade. She's a little bit temperamental. She doesn't like food.
Whoa, calm.
It's like fucking King Kong.
Calm down. So, nice to meet you, Jade.
My name is Freya. Hello.
Why am I ginger?
Hey,
Hello, Stella. My name's Coco.
I think my friend Freya might like you. You're a nice tone. She likes the brown one.
So why don't we just get it on? Have a food. Hey, guys, seriously, what's going on here? Let's just, do you like a doggy style? Because I wouldn't mind.
We were just having he was just teaching me how to
oh, sorry, honey.
Puff Puff's a bit of a sleaze.
Good times. Come on, ladies. Hop on, jump in.
Can I join it?
No way, girl. You're too big.
It's the end of our story.
The end.
Didn't get any action. We all lived happily ever after.